バンドメイド is the greatest band of all. The lyrics are always very thoughtful and can make you feel emotional with their voice. A wonderful band, always so positive, and so exceedingly good at what they do. The musicianship is magnificent. A Japanese vocalist with a very deep and resonant voice with a variety of harsh vocal is Regan from the metal band Saiseiga. Amazing such tones from a little lady.
Japan is renowned for its rich and diverse music scene, often producing innovative and influential artists who push the boundaries of musical genres. One such band that captivated international attention is Band-Maid, combining heavy rock elements with a unique and captivating aesthetic. Band-Maid stands out not only for their music but also for the thematic and visual concepts that defines their identity. This essay will explore the various dimensions of Band-Maid, from their inceptions to their global success, their distinct sound and style, and the cultural and social impact they had both in Japan and internationally formations and early years. Band-Maid was formed in 2013 by lead guitarist and songwriter Kanami Tono and drummer Akane Hirose. The band's unique concept was inspired by the traditional Japanese maid cave culture, where young women dress in maid outfits to serve customers, creating a distinctive and playful image that contrasts with the band's heavy and powerful music. The juxtapositions of this cutesy, innocent aesthetic with hard-hitting rock music is a key aspect of their identity, setting them apart from other rock bands in both Japan and abroad. Their early days were spent honing their craft and playing small live shows in Tokyo. Initially, their fan base consisted mainly of Japanese music enthusiasts, but with the rise of social media, Band-Maid's presence started to expand globally. Their breakthrough moment came when they uploaded a video of their live performances of Thrill, which quickly went viral, allowing them to gain attention from international rock fans who were intrigued by their unique fusion of rock music and maid aesthetic, musical style, and influences. At the heart of the Band-Maid's appeal is their distinctive musical styles, which blends elements of hard rock, metal, and pop punk with intricate melodies and catchy hooks. Each of members is highly skilled in their instrument, with Kanami Tono's virtuosic guitar playing at the forefront. Her technical prowess is matched by the impressive drumming of Akane Hirose, and together with bassist Misa and vocalist Saiki Atsumi, they create a tight and dynamic sounds that can range from aggressive, fast-paced rock anthems to slower, more melodic ballads. Band-Maid's music has often been compared to Western rock bands such as Avenged Sevenfold, Metallica, and Kiss, but their Japanese influences are also evident. The band's draws on the theatrically and theatricality and energy of J-Rock, while also infusing their work with a sense of playfulness and humor that is often associated. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much.